In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your Miro board. We'll guide you through this straightforward process step by step so you can easily export your Miro board to share with others or keep for your records. First, let's start by heading over to the Miro homepage. This is your main hub for all things Miro. Once you're there, you'll see your dashboard with all the boards you've created or have access to. If you've recently worked on the board you want to export, it may appear in your recent section on the home page. This makes finding your project a breeze, especially if it's something you've been working on lately. Next, locate the board you're interested in exporting. Simply click on your board to open it up. At this point, your board should load, displaying all your hard work, ideas, or collaborations. You're now ready to move on to the exporting process. Once your board is open, direct your attention to the top left corner of your screen. Here you will see a variety of icons, including one that represents export options. Click on the export icon and a menu will drop down, providing you with several choices for saving or sharing your work. Among the choices, you'll see the option to save as PDF. This is the most straightforward way to export your board in a format that's easy to share and widely accessible. It's also a great format if you just want a clean visual of your board without any of Miro's editing capabilities. PDFs are great for emailing, presenting, or archiving your progress, so click on Save as PDF. Before proceeding with the final export, you'll notice other options available, such as Export as Image or Save As. While these options offer flexibility depending on your needs, for today we're focusing on exporting as a PDF. Making the choice to export as a PDF is typically the best route when maintaining layout integrity and ease of sharing is your goal. After selecting Save as PDF, you'll need to finalize the export. Look for the Export button and give it a click. When you do this, Miro will process your request and start generating your board as a PDF document. Finally, once the export process is complete, your PDF should automatically download to your designated folder on your computer, often the Downloads folder, but this depends on your custom settings. Check that your Miro board is properly saved in PDF format, and from there you can share it, print it, or just keep it handy for your next big presentation. And there you have it. You've successfully exported your Miro board as a PDF, ready to share or review at your convenience. Thanks for following along, and be sure to watch our next video for more tips on getting the most out of your Miro experience.